What's that? Okay.
Are you saying Dada?
No, he's trying to rest.
You're so
He's trying to
tired.
rest. And what else? What else do you have to say? Huh?
Kim, are you saying Dada?
Are you saying Dada?
Can you say it?
Are you saying Dada? Huh? Are you saying Dada? I think you're trying to. Dada? 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 Dada?
Oh, you love your daddy.
You're crazy. You're crazy.
Where are you going? Alright, buddy. I think it's almost bedtime, silly pie. What you doing? Huh?
He's all
Are
worn
you
out
itching
now.
your belly?
He's worn out. He's worn out.
You're silly. Yes, your dada's home. Alright. Alright, buddy. Say night-night. Night-night.